Good morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. As you know that already we have started our grammar topic, agreement of subject and verb, and we have learned so many rules. Now today we are going to complete the topic with some more rules as well as some more examples. Yes, before starting today's content, let's recapitulate previous class. Singular subjects followed by words such as well as, along with, and besides take a singular verb. When the subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. As we have done the sentence, the teacher along with her students sits down to watch a film. In this, what happened? Before these words as well as, along with, and besides, before these words, whatever noun you are having, accordingly you have to put our verb. Like the teacher. The teacher is what? Singular. That's why we have put sits. If suppose the teachers will be given, then you have to put sit. Fine. Second one, distances, periods of time and sums of money when considered as a single unit take a singular verb. Same, we have done 10 miles is a long distance to walk. So whenever in a single unit it is given, you have to use singular verb. Next one, words that indicate quantity such as all, none, some, most, more, enough, plenty and a lot of. Take a singular verb when the subject is singular and a plural verb when the subject is plural. Like all the boys have taken the vaccine. All is given, but after that you can see what is the noun. Boys is plural, that's why we have put there have. Fine means plural verb. Some of the cake is in the fridge. So some, this is the word. After that you have to see what is the noun. That is cake. Cake is what? Singular. That's why we had put is. Means singular verb. I hope you all have understood. Next one, titles of books always take a singular verb even if the name has plural nouns. Titles of the books doesn't matter if the name of the name of the book is given in the plural form. Still, you have to use only singular verb. Why? Just because here we are talking about a single book. Like the Arabian Nights is a book that we all love to read. The Arabian Nights. Nights is plural, but actually we have to see here that only one book we are talking about, that is the Arabian Nights. Fine students, so whenever you are having the titles of books, you always have to use singular verb. As we have done lots of examples in the class work, now few questions today I am giving to you for the homework. First sentence, you have to do in the fill up form students. Mr. Samuels, along with the rest of the neighbors, dash waiting to hear about the commotion last night. Commotion means any disturbance. Before doing the homework, just recapitulate the previous class and then do it. Okay. Next one, most of the pie dash already been eaten. Has ya have. Some of the jury members dash in a meeting right now. Is ya are. Nothing dash worth losing sleep over. Is ya are. A team of scientists dash visiting the laboratory. Is ya are. Next one. The right pair of shoes dash all you need to complete your outfit. Is ya are. American Gods dash a book by Neil Gaiman that has been adapted for television. Is ya are. Where dash my new pair of spectacles is ya are. The philosopher and the poet dash dead is ya are. The monsoon dash arrived in Kerala bracket has ya have. Ghost Tales from the Raj dash written by Ruskin Bond. Fine students, you have to do in the fill up form. This is your homework. I hope you can do it easily. Now, I hope I have made myself clear to you all and you have understood completely the topic. Thank you.